Hello, good evening everyone. I hope that everything is going well, and once again welcome back to my another video. Now I came here because of practicing English. Yes, it's time to practice English. As you know, I am not good at speaking English, even so I will be practicing English because I want to become a fluent English speaker. That's why I am to come here for practicing English every day. And today topic is very interesting topic, that is I can't speak English. Even I try to speak English, but I can't, in spite of knowing 1,000 words, but I can't speak a single word. So if you are beginner like me, you should watch this video till the end, and you will must speak English after watching this video, 100% guarantee. So if you are ready, get down to start. So mainly we can find two types of situation. फर्स्ट सिचुएशन क्या है? वो लोग जिसको इंग्लिश के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता रहता, दे डोंट नो एक्चुअली हाउ टू राइट, दे डोंट नो हाउ टू स्पीक, दे डोंट नो हाउ टू रीड. फर्स्ट सिचुएशन, एक्चुअली दे डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया अबाउट इट. सेकेंड सिचुएशन, दैट इज़ इन लोगों को थोड़ा मालूम रहता, they have some idea about it, how to read and how to write, but they can't speak English. So some people think that when I will learn this language properly, perfectly, then I will start to speak. बहुत कुछ सीखने के बाद, सब कुछ सीखने के बाद मैं स्टार्ट करूँगी बोलने के लिए. मगर if I talk about languages, there is no perfection. There is no correct time. There is no perfect time to speak. No matter how much you have learned every day, everything, you try to open your mouth and you try to speak. Just that's all. You have to speak English every day. What you have learned a single day, all things you have to open your mouth and you have to speak. At least you have to try to speak. That's all. Nothing happens overnight. It will happen. Your English will come naturally when you practice English every day, when you will try to speak English every day. रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस के साथ आपको आगे जाते रहना, आगे बढ़ते रहना रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस के साथ, तभी जाके योर इंग्लिश नेचुरली साउंड गुड बाहर आएगी अच्छे से. एंड फर्स्ट सिचुएशन, I hope that second situation, who are in the second situation, they actually got my point properly, what to do or what not to do. Everything you have to speak in English, no matter how much you have learned every day. You have to spend time with it a lot. Everything takes time, as you know. Nothing happens overnight. Everything takes time. And आपको कुछ ना कुछ एफर्ट डालना होगा, मस्ट. आई मीन एनी स्किल, व्हेन एवर वी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, व्हेन एवर ट्राई टू अचीव समथिंग, दैट्स थिंग वी मस्ट हैव टू एफर्ट, वी मस्ट हैव टू ऐड समथिंग एफर्ट. लाइक कोई भी स्किल हम लोगों को जब कोई भी स्किल में जब मास्टर बनना होगा, तब क्या करना होगा? कुछ ना कुछ एफर्ट डालना होगा. You have to add some effort, then it will, after few weeks, after few months, it will effortless for you. It will be very easy for you. You have to familiar with English, like सुबह शाम कुछ भी कर रहे हो, all things you have to speak in English. You have to explain in English what exactly you get around of you. All things you have to try to speak in English. You have to explain in English. Then it will be very possible for you to speak English. I hope who are in the second situation, you got my point. And first situation, now I am going to talk about first situation. Who are in the first situation, listen very carefully what I am going to tell you. That is, they don't have actually any idea about it. How can I read, how can I speak, how can I write? तो उन लोगों के लिए मैं बोलना चाहूँगी, यू हैव टू वॉच वीडियोज़. अब वीडियोज़ जब देखना स्टार्ट करोगी, तब आपको आइडियाज़ मिलेगी. वीडियो से मिलता आइडिया. यू हैव टू वॉच एंड यू हैव टू लिसन. यू हैव टू स्टार्ट एवरी डे. एंड व्हेन एवर यू आर वॉचिंग इंग्लिश वीडियोज़, दैट टाइम you have to watch with subtitle. And you have to, what video you have to watch? You have to watch children story, children cartoon videos. You have to watch every day with subtitle. अगर वीडियोस में दिखाया जा रहा कोई खा रहा, दैट्स मीन you have to watch, that's mean you have to listen very very carefully, that's mean he is eating, that's mean कोई खा रहा, इसको इंग्लिश में he is eating बोलते हैं. This type of small sentences you have to follow every day, and you have to watch English relative videos with English subtitle. Why? Because it will help you a lot to understand what's going happening behind the scenes. Someone is fighting, so you can easily get it that someone is fighting. Someone is going, someone is eating, you can get it easily, and you can use all the sentence in your day-to-day life easily. Believe me, you can do it. You can speak English. If you practice English every day, then it will be very easy for you. And after watching this video, you must, I think you must, where is your, what's your situation, you must got. Who are in the first situation, what should you do to speak English, you got. And who are in the second situation, they actually, you have got my point, what to do or what not to do to speak English. So please keep watching, keep going every day, try to learn something new. And if this video will very helpful for you, so please write down in a comment section you got my point or not. I'm sure this video will be very helpful for you who are beginners like me, who are trying to speak English every day. They must, this video will be very helpful for them. So please keep watching and keep practicing. Now I have to go downstairs. Bye bye, see you again.